Remodeling your kitchen can be expensive, time-consuming, and even aggravating. Here are 2 ways to improve the look of your kitchen without the expense and time, just using 2 appliances. Counter-depth refrigerators fit seamlessly in your 24-inch cabinet, so you don't see the black texture side protruding in your kitchen. They look much better than the standard depth refrigerator, which can protrude into your kitchen as much as 8 to 10 inches. As I said in an earlier video, why you should never buy a counter depth. With decreased depth, you do lose space in the refrigerator, which can be an issue with a larger family or when storing a lot of food. But aesthetically, counter depth is an improvement, and starting at $1,500, it's far less expensive than demolishing your kitchen and starting over. There's nothing wrong with your current freestanding range. However, a range with the controls on the front allows you to see your backsplash without seeing a range back guard. It just looks better. One word of caution: if you're replacing a range with the back guard, just check the backsplash. If it looks old, stained, or worn, they can always cut a piece of stainless steel as your new backsplash and mount it from your hood to the top of your range. It's not difficult. Like a counter depth, the front control will cost you around $1,500. So together, you'll spend $3,000 or more, depending if you want more option. Here's a tip to save you money. Wait for a holiday like President's Day, Memorial Day, July 4th, Labor Day, or Black Friday. Many manufacturers will promote a 10 to 35% off. It can be worth the wait if you're not in a hurry. Lastly, try to buy from the same manufacturer when buying both to maximize available rebates. So waiting for a holiday and buying a counter depth refrigerator and front control range will be far less expensive than remodeling and will dramatically improve the look of your kitchen. To look for the best option, click here for refrigerators and this link for the best ranges. And thanks for watching.